Well, this is a Grundig GR550 tumble dryer. That's the branding on it. It's actually a design that's used by quite a few different manufacturers in this shape. And normally on the maintenance on this, we clean out the filters pretty regularly, both the removable filter and the interior filter. But what we weren't aware of is the third filter that is on the hidden behind this front panel here. I thought the only maintenance you needed to do on this was just to keep that clean, but hidden in here is the front panel that reveals the front of the condenser, and if you remove that, you will see in here all that fluff, and this was what was removed by the service engineer that came out. Now this tumble dryer isn't particularly old. It's probably been in use maybe for 1.5 to 2 years maximum, but that is the front condenser plate, which is very fragile, but you do need to remove this fluff. This was completely blocked up with that build-up of fibre, and what we noticed was that we thought the heater had failed and nothing was drying in this. We were getting condensate on the back of the front perspex panel, and all that was causing that was the build-up of this moist wet fluff on the front. So that's all going to be removed now. There is allegedly a brush that comes with the tumble dryer, but unless this is shown to you by the sales team, you're very unlikely to spot that this needs doing. Should sit along the front. But what the service engineer advised us to do was just very, very gently with a soft brush to remove all the remaining fibres from here. Don't want to risk damaging those front plates, the grill on that condenser, because it's very, very fragile, and if you do so, then you can obviously ruin your warranty and stop the machine working. So we're just going to brush that out now. I'm going to stop videoing while we do that with the hoover and come back and show you it when it's clean. This is after vacuuming very gently. It's not completely cleared out. You can see there's a little bit of fluff around the base there that we're just going to try and pick out very gently. But we just don't want to risk bending any of those grills and reducing the effectiveness of the condenser. So we're going to continue cleaning that out, put the back panel back on, and then the whole thing can go back into position. Our problem with this is it is slightly fitted into the kitchen, and there's a wooden bar that comes right the way across, so we will have to take the kitchen apart each time we want to clean this out, which I think we're going to have to do pretty regularly now to maintain the efficiency of this tumble dryer. So there's our top tip for trying to keep this going. We had to call a service engineer out to find that this was a problem. As I said, we thought the heating element had failed in this unit, and
he recommended cleaning this about once a month.
Once a month. We will take it out and give it a good clean to remove all that fluff and put it back together now and get it back working. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful to you.